This is pure gold for your lettuce. The leaves grow incredibly fast, become juicy and large, and the flavor is simply fantastic. Before I show you the ingredients for the feeding mixture, it's important to know a few things about planting lettuce at the end of summer. Planting at this time is an excellent way to enjoy fresh vegetables throughout the fall. At the end of summer, the days are shorter, temperatures are milder, and the air is more humid, which supports slower and higher quality growth. Lower temperatures prevent premature flowering and bitterness in the leaves, giving you crisp, tasty lettuce with minimal effort. Additionally, autumn planting brings fewer problems with pests and weeds compared to spring, making garden maintenance much easier and the growing process more enjoyable. For late summer planting, you can choose from different types of lettuce. Classic head lettuce is always a good choice, but it's worth experimenting with corn salad, endive, radicchio, or arugula. By combining multiple varieties, you not only enrich your garden visually and nutritionally, but also extend the harvesting season, as some varieties grow into winter. If you have a greenhouse, mini cold frame, or protective netting, you can harvest lettuce even during colder months, giving you fresh leaves at your fingertips year-round. Soil preparation is key to success. Lettuce thrives in loose, fertile, well-drained soil. It's best to prepare the beds before planting and ensure they are in a sunny or partially shaded spot. Regular watering is important because lettuce has shallow roots that quickly react to moisture shortage, so the soil should always remain slightly damp. Planting with proper spacing allows each plant to develop healthily and reduces the risk of disease. One major advantage of planting at the end of August is that lettuce can also thrive in small spaces. You can grow it in pots, containers, or raised beds, which is perfect for apartments with balconies or small gardens. Regular harvesting of outer leaves not only prolongs the season, but also stimulates the plant to keep growing, ensuring a constant supply of fresh vegetables. With minimal care and attention, lettuce planted at this time produces a rich and healthy harvest. Fresh leaves from your own garden or balcony always taste better and have higher nutritional value than store-bought. Planting lettuce at the end of summer lets you take advantage of favorable conditions, extend the fresh vegetable season, and have healthy food always within reach. If you follow these tips, your lettuce will be lush, juicy, and resilient. Before we move on to the feeding details, it's important to remember that regular watering, proper spacing, and enough light make the difference between an average and an excellent harvest. Now, I'm going to show you a fantastic natural feeding mixture that will further boost your lettuce's growth and health. The first ingredient is eggshells, a natural source of calcium that strengthens plants and prevents deficiencies. Adding crushed eggshells to the soil improves its structure and fertility, promoting healthy growth. Calcium helps build strong cell walls, making leaves firmer and longer lasting. Additionally, coarsely crushed eggshells can serve as a natural barrier against slugs and other pests. Friends, write down where you're from. I love meeting people from all over the world. Thank you. Pour the eggshells into 200 milliliters of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of wood ash, which is rich in potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, minerals that strengthen the plant and increase its resistance to diseases and adverse conditions. Potassium helps plant absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, resulting in strong, healthy, juicy leaves. Calcium improves soil structure and prevents acidification, while phosphorus encourages strong root development and nutrient uptake. By adding a small amount of vinegar to the mixture of ash and crushed eggshells, you help release calcium and potassium, making these minerals more accessible to plant and more effective in promoting growth and lush leaves. Besides boosting nutrition, ash also acts as a natural defense, helping repel pests like slugs and reducing the risk of fungal diseases. It's important to use it moderately because too much ash can raise soil pH and make growth difficult for plants that prefer slightly acidic conditions like lettuce. So proper amounts are key for optimal growth. Leave the mixture to sit for 24 hours. Then strain it and add an extra liter of water. Finally, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried nettle, which is extremely rich in nitrogen, iron, calcium, magnesium, and various vitamins, making it a perfect natural fertilizer for lettuce. Nitrogen is especially important as it promotes the development of lush, healthy, and juicy leaves, which is crucial for plants like lettuce grown for their foliage. Thanks to nitrogen, the leaves become intensely green and rich in nutrients. Other minerals from a nettle further strengthen the root system, improve disease resistance, and help the plant absorb moisture and nutrients from the soil. Additionally, the natural compounds in nettle act as a mild deterrent for many pests, reducing the need for chemical treatments and keeping your lettuce healthy, strong, and resilient throughout the season. Let it sit for another 24 hours, and it's ready for watering. Water your lettuce every 10 days, giving each plant about 100 milliliters of this mixture, and it will grow like crazy. Check out our next video, which will appear on the screen. Thank you and see you soon.